Step 1. Go to pancakeswap.finance and click Connect Wallet. Choose Binance Wallet or MetaMask and make sure you're connected to the BNB Smart Chain network. Before you continue, make sure your wallet has a small amount of BNB for gas fees. Next, click Get Started. Then search for VELT token in the bar. When it appears, select it. No need to paste any contract address manually. Once you select VELT, choose BNB on the top field and VELT on the bottom. Enter the amount you want to buy and click Swap. Approve the transaction in your wallet and wait a few seconds for confirmation. That's it, you've successfully purchased VELT tokens on PancakeSwap. Now let's see how to buy the VELT token directly from your Binance Web3 wallet using your phone. If you don't have any funds in your Binance Web3 wallet yet, tap Receive. You'll see 3 options to add money. First, transfer funds that you already have on your Binance exchange into your wallet. Second, deposit crypto from another wallet directly to your Binance address. And third, buy crypto using the payment methods available in your country. Once you have funds inside your Binance Web3 wallet, go back to the home screen and type VELT in the search bar. You'll immediately see the Veltrixa token appear. Tap on it, then click Quick Buy. Now select how much you want to purchase. You can use BNB or any other available currency in your wallet. Double-check the amount, confirm the transaction, and wait a few seconds while it processes. Your order will be submitted automatically, and you'll see your VELT tokens appear in your wallet balance. If you later decide to sell your VELT tokens, the process is just as simple. Go to the Assets tab, select VELT, and tap Swap. From there, you can choose to exchange your VELT for any other cryptocurrency such as BNB, USDT, ETH, or BTC. Confirm the swap, and within moments, your new balance will be updated. That's it. Buying and selling VELT directly from your Binance Web3 wallet is fast, secure, and completely decentralized.